Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the no bra zone number 4, guys, here in not so sunny Florida, but I'm okay with that. We left Asheville yesterday, the cool, beautiful breeze, the leaves changing, and the mild temperatures to Florida. It was raining all night, which was good for sleeping, but today it's a bit muggy and it's a little bit warm, but I am in my happy place in my studio, which I have missed so much. I'm grateful for my studio in Florida, but it's only about this big. My studio here, I've got a lot more space, and I get to see the birds flying by and the beautiful puffy clouds in the sky. Well, this girl's had a wonderful, wonderful week, and my guest left about a day or so ago. We packed up and headed this way, but I'm tired. We spent 4 days just doing things and coming and going and getting married. It was wonderful. It was the best weekend of my life, and I get very emotional when I talk about it. But I'm an early riser. I'm usually up at 5 a.m. It's, I think, due to the fact that I owned a landscaping company for 30 years, and I got up early. So it's really, really hard for me to sleep late. But this morning I slept until 8 a.m. and I got raised up in bed. Rick got me a nice cup of coffee, and I just laid there, and I came across a live by Michelle from Grateful Creations, and I put my earbuds on and I just laid there with my coffee and I watched her, and she inspired me, and I decided to come into my studio today to try something new, something I don't do very often. Number one, I never use a scale. Canella, you would be proud of me because I found one. And I wanted to do the recipe that Michelle used. And I believe Tara Lombardi uses it, and Sarah Taylor, and many others. But I'm going to do a painting similar to the one that I saw, or hopefully similar to the one that I saw Michelle from Grateful Creations do. What she did was she put her paints and her pigments on a dry canvas. At least I believe it was dry. There was no base coat down. And then she manipulated those colors a little bit. And then she flooded it with the pearl pour mix that she uses, and Tara uses, and Sarah uses. And what's in here, I measured, and I'm very proud of myself. This is 1 ounce of Decoart satin enamel in the pure white. It is 4 ounces of the Artist Loft soft body in the white, and I was grateful that I had all these things on hand. It was 4 ounces of the Apple Barrel white. Now this white is a little funky. It's very chalky. When you open the bottle, it almost has chalk around the edges of it. And that makes me wonder whether or not you could substitute a chalk paint for the Apple Barrel. So 4 ounces of the Apple Barrel white, 1 ounce of the Liquitex pouring medium. Let me get that. It's a new one, so it's heavy. I used, you use the one with the black and the gray label. And we used 1 ounce of that, 1 ounce of the GAC 800, and I'm not getting that because it's way over there. 8 fluid ounces of strained Floetrol. 6 to 7 ounces of water, and I used 6 ounces because it seemed like it was very comparable with my paints and my pigments. If anything, just a little bit thinner. And then a healthy squirt of zinsser. Now I've got this, and I've had this forever, and I use basically just a pipette full to add to this mix, and I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with the rest of this because It's a full gallon, and using just a squeeze at a time, that is going to last forever. So if anybody needs any zinsser, come on by. I'll share mine with you. And that's all right in here in what Michelle calls her pearl mix. And after she laid down her colors on a dry canvas, she manipulated them, and then she put her pearl mix on top, and then she manipulated that, kind of how you do with a pearl pour painting. And then she added more colors on top of it and then blew them out. That's another thing this girl doesn't use very often, a blow dryer. And this blow dryer is going to bring me good luck today. This was gifted to me by sweet Karen Dershan when I went down to visit her in Virginia a few months back. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm using the new piggies that are released today. That's if I release this video today. They were released on Friday the 13th of October, and I am excited about them. And there's one in here that makes me crazy. I got them all, and I couldn't decide which ones I wanted to use, so I went with the blues and the greens. So this right here, I left the stir stick in here because I need you to see this. This is the most remarkable color I have ever seen, and I hope you can see this, guys. It is beautiful. That is the new TLP pigment, and that is called Black Forest. And I'm telling you guys, yummy, yummy, yummy. Right here to throw in some a little bit of OPEC. We've got some Amsterdam Expert acrylics, and this is their turquoise blue. Right here, another new piggy. Oh my goodness, look at that. I've got my lights set up a little bit different. I hope that you can see that. That is this little piggy, and that is their Wild Atlantic. And right here, oh my gosh. These colors, guys, you just, I mean, they're pretty, but when you see them in person, they warm your heart. That is Billabong, another one of the new releases. And this right here, yummy goodness. Let's take a look at that. That is Mint Chip, my favorite ice cream, mint chocolate chip. So how did I mix these? I put a tiny little, the end of my popsicle stick of pigment into the cup, and I gave it an equal amount of the Josanya gloss varnish. I mixed them up really good, and then I used only Liquitex pouring medium and just a squirt of Floetrol until you're a very thin consistency. It leaves almost no trace when the paint rolls off the stick into the paint below. So I'm just gonna play. I'm gonna try something different, and then I'm going to probably go take a nap because my body is still recovering, and I'm okay with that, guys. So thanks for being here. I'm always happy when you join me. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling, I'm falling with you. I'm